I love a breakfast sandwich, and today, my friends, I want to do a pork tenderloin breakfast sandwich on that Blackstone griddle. It's going to be some good groceries. You will not want to miss it. Let's go. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we're going to take our pork loin, and you can use it like this right here in its form that you got it from the store, but we need to pound this out. It makes it a little bit more tender, and it also will fit onto your sandwich. Using a plastic bag, we're going to put each piece of tenderloin and take your mallet and just beat it out nice and thinly. Do that to all four to get ready to bread. Now, breading, simple. A little bit of buttermilk, a little bit of all-purpose flour, and we're going to season that up with some Blackstone S.P.G. Around here for breakfast, they don't season it really heavily, just a little bit. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, but that garlic I feel is going to help greatly. Now that it's ready for breading, we're going to go into the flour first. From the flour, going to the buttermilk, then buttermilk back to that flour, and this is going to make a beautiful, crispy, crunchy exterior that is going to be wowzers. After that, we're going to put it onto our griddle that's been pre-warmed. There's our oil. It's nice and puddled up nicely, and we're going to put the pork loin right into that oil. Cook it till done, about 140 degrees internal, flipping it about every 3 minutes or so. Once your pork loin is nice golden brown, just like this, get that off onto a paper towel. That way it'll blot some of that excess oil off. Now to wrap up this sandwich, get you a little bit of butter down onto the griddle, nice and low. We're going to cook our eggs. We're going to do 2 sandwiches, 2 eggs. Get those onto that butter. After about 2 minutes, we're going to flip the toast off. Not looking for a hard toast because this will be the inside of our sandwich. You can now start building this thing right on top of your griddle. State law, got to have mayonnaise onto a sandwich, no matter if it's a breakfast sandwich. We're going to flip our eggs over also. Not really big on presentation here. Now, start building these things. I'm going to take a piece of our tenderloin. Oh man, beautiful tenderloin. That's going to be so good. Now we're going to bring our egg. Nice egg. It's going to be nice and drippy. Put that right there. I want to follow that up with a piece of American cheese. And now right at the end, we're going to just cover these up for just a little bit. That way it helps melt that cheese. And oh man, nice and melty. You can always count on American cheese. I'm going to put the tops on these bad boys. Woo, look at that, nice and toasty. Boys and girls, now that is a breakfast sandwich I could stand behind. Dang it, boys. Woo. Boys and girls, let's give this a try. Tastes just like my favorite place right up the road. It does tenderloin sandwiches all the time, biscuits. That S.P.G, taste a little bit of it. Wasn't going for a really, really hard spice on this. Just really something that complements it. The egg, got a little drip to it. Not overly messy. Mayonnaise adds a little creaminess. Woo, doggies. Y'all, give this breakfast sandwich a try. I guarantee you will love it. And head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome breakfast videos just like this. Hey, I'm Hussey, and that's some good groceries.